Okay, so taste test. Toxic Waste Hazardously Sour Candy. As you can see, nice little jar. Here it is. I've got 1 minute on the clock because that's how long they think you can't keep one in your gob for. So I'm going to try it. Here we go. In the mouth. Clock started. And oh dear God. Oh. Mm. Oh. I don't know what they coat these things with, but that is that is horribly sour. I think my tongue is going to divorce me, and my gums. It's not very lemony at the moment. It's just painful. Let's try. Oh my! Let's try biting it. Now it's lemony. It's still very sour. Very, very sour. Incredibly sour. Oh, oh, I've done a minute. Yay! No. So, chewing it does help a bit because it gets sweeter, but the sourness is just, I have to give one of these to Sean, it'll be hysterical. Well, there we go. That's getting better. Oh, so that was about 1 minute and 20 seconds. That was interesting. That was a lemon one. They were also in watermelon, apple, more apple, black cherry, and something called blue raspberry, which I might have to give a go, but holy shit. Luckily, I have a cup of coffee, so I didn't really do anything. There we go. They are very, very sour. I don't know what the Americans see in sour candy. A bit odd like that, like peanut butter and chocolate, but... And, okay, that was it. I recommend them if you want your mouth to hate you. But the actual flavour isn't too bad once you get past the sourness. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if I'll do that again, actually. I suppose I really should try the other flavours, but I'm not really looking forward to it. So there we go. Thanks for watching.